This is the most luxurious sleeper train in Indonesia, maybe in the entire Asian continent. As you see over here, this is my cozy bed. Oh wow. Before I start this video, let me show you guys all the features that you get on this sleeper train. Actually, this is the compartment suite class, but you can also serve as a sleeper train. So before we start this video, I want to take you guys outside. Let me show you guys how the outside looks like, maybe the washroom. Then when we come back here, I will show you guys all the features. It's gonna be a 10 hours ride all the way from Surabaya down to Jakarta. Join me, let's go check out the outside. Let's go. Wow, guys, you see how beautiful everywhere. So let's go out first. Try to open the door, click here and it opens. So over there. Wow. Let's check out the washroom first. Alright guys, first of all, this is the washroom area. Very, very spacious. Yeah? So this is the toilet. This ventilation is super good. So you can see that. This is the wow. Are you serious? Everything on this train screams luxury. Guys, well, I think these are some of the rules. No smoking, of course, no smoking, no vaping. Do not throw anything into the toilet. Don't throw anything here. This one says, please refrain from squatting. This one says, please refrain from squatting when using the toilet. Don't stand on this toilet. Sit on it. Sit. This one says, do not sway your hand. Do not sway your hand out of the restroom. Something like that. Don't put your hand outside or something like that. This one, no vandalism. Don't scatter anything. So this is the washroom. Alright friend, thank you. Guys, look at that. This is luxury. It screams luxury. Yes, okay, 5. Wow guys, look at that. Mad. Look at that. So let me now show you guys the features. Of course, you have so many water on board. This screen more like a monitor. Also, you can use to access the TV. Whatever shows here is what you see here. But this is closer to you, more like the controller. So this is your bed. Actually, you can actually bring this out. Let's say you're sitting down, you want to stretch your leg. Actually use this. Look. You see, it's coming out. So when you are sitting down, it's gonna stretch. It's gonna come out. Look at that. Look at that. So you see, it's out. So once it's out, you can stretch your leg while you're lying down, and of course this is the view. So let's sit down. Let's sit down and show you guys more features of this beautiful train. So you can see, I can stretch my leg like this. If you want to stretch it more, you can see. Look at this. Just look at the magic. When I tap here, look. Beautiful. So you unlock. Then this is the leg. So you see over there. So if I press this one, takes it inside. That if you're tired of sleeping, you want to actually sit, you can take this inside. Look. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. Of course, the view is incredible. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So now you can sit properly. Then if you want to go back to sleep, you can decide to pull it back. Look over there. You can decide to pull it back. Yes, to sleep, pull it back outside. Look at that. This is magic. That's beautiful. You can also, if you want to sit up, all you have to do is to click on this one. You just click on this one. Look, it's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, now you can sit down. Maybe if you're tired of lying down, you can sit up. Yeah, so you can take it back if you want. Then there's also more features. This one, if you want to if you're cold, you want to heat up the seats, you can click here. This will make it faster. This is gear 3 gear, 2 gear, 1 gear. But now we don't want to heat up the seat, so take it back. So if you want to bring this chair, forward, that's when you can click on this. Then look. You see, it's coming forward. Then I can take it back. Beautiful. Yes. See, there are more people. There are people here. There are also people out there. Look. Wow. Then, if you want some privacy, just close the door. This is to dim the light. Look. Dim the light. Then you can put it back on. Then, if you're tired of seeing outside, let's say you want to close or you want to sleep, all you have to do is to touch this button and the glass will be blinded. Something like this. Look. You see? You can't see anything outside here. Then you tap it back. Of course, the view is back over there. And one more thing, if you also want to subscribe to this channel, all you have to do is to go on YouTube and type KNT. So you have a YouTube, whatever shows here, like I said earlier, that's what you see over here. This is more like a controller. If you want to charge, over here you can see, charge your AirPod, charge your phone, your laptop, your tablet. You have a switch over here. If you don't have a charger, you have a place you can plug your USB. Or this is for Type C. This is for Type C. This is for your USB cord, and this is for your charger. So everything you need for this trip. Also, you have a headset. Let's say you want to watch a movie, you want to watch some movies. You have this headset to watch some movies. Then you can click on this button. Then you subscribe to the channel so that you get to see some awesome videos from all around the world. This is from Tanzania, Hazabe tribe, Burkina Faso, Senegal, Ghana, Nigeria. So this is Indonesia playlist. You have Indonesia, you have Morocco, Nepal, you have Egypt, you have okay, you want to buy some of our merchandise, you can buy from here. So you also have Middle East, you have Tanzania, Senegal, Cabo Verde, of course, Cabo Verde. So many. And also you can also become a member by clicking on this. You become a member of the channel, which means there are some videos that you don't get to see on this channel. It's only available for members. So when you click on this button over here, you become a member and you will thank me later. So you can see how beautiful this place is. And again, let's say you need help from the outside, let's say you need help from the outside, you need to call one of the attendants. All you need to do is to click this button, press this button, bam. Then the attendants will come and attend to you. But guys, look at this view. You can't make this up. Look at that. Look at that. Actually, this is supposed to be the Compartment Suite Class, but it also serves as a sleeper train where you can sleep and enjoy yourself. And to get this ticket, it costs 2,150,000 rupiah. That's equivalent to around 120 USD. Okay. So now, I've taken off my shoes. Now let's take a nap. Oh wow, coming out. Hey, luxury in our water. So you can see, you can take it down more. Oh my god. Whoa, that's good. Let me put up the lights and catch some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the midnight. Oh. Look. Can you see that plane over there? Man, this train is fast actually. Oh man, the plane is fast. Otilo, don't go. Look. Man, the plane is fast. But this is not the fastest train in Indonesia. The fastest one is the Whoosh. If you check my previous video, just go down. This is the Whoosh video. You can check it out. This is the fastest train in Indonesia, known as Whoosh. So go check it out. Okay, this is the restaurant. Oh, I see. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful. Hello. Compartment. So this is my suite. We got some delicious looking food over here.
Yes, sir. Alright, enjoy.
Alright, thank you.
Can I close the door?
Yes. So good. My friend, thanks for your service.
Jadwal keberangkatan pukul 17.00 akan segera berangkat atas nama PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Kami ucapkan terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda. Selamat menikmati perjalanan dan sampai jumpa pada perjalanan berikutnya.
No, this is the station over here. No. Hello, this one is Gojek. Here. Yeah. That's their office. Yeah. Oh. Okay. BYD.
I'm sorry, this unit is already sold out.
Oh?
This unit is already sold out. There is another unit. You wanna take it?
Which unit is that?
I'm sorry. This one. That's the unit. You can just ready to go.
Car luxury.
Yes. Sorry, that's only available for now.
Only available for now?
Yes, for now.
Are you serious? Guys, it's crazy.
Sorry, mister. This code.
Huh?
This code.
Huh?
This number code.
Good? Okay. Right now, we have few more days to spend in Indonesia before we move to the next country. So leave a comment below. What do you think I can do here, or we should do here in Jakarta before we leave, before we embark on another journey to the next country? The next country is gonna blow your mind. So leave a comment below. I'll be reading your comments. And if you're from Indonesia, or you live in Indonesia, you live in Jakarta, you want to hang out, leave a comment below, or you can check the description. You will see my WhatsApp number. Just send me a WhatsApp message. Let's link up. Beautiful.
Very
The weekend, very much.
very much weekend.
Wow, guys, the traffic in Jakarta is off the hook. So every day is like this.
Every day like this. At 21.
21, that's 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Wow, that's crazy.
Setelah 400 meter, gunakan lajur kedua dari kanan untuk berbelok sedikit ke kanan ke
Actually, a journey of 30 minutes will take you up to almost 2 hours to complete because of the traffic.
Ambil jalur sebelah kiri dan
Okay. Welcome back to Jakarta. What? Yeah. Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde against Messi. Okay. Terima kasih, my friend. Guys, welcome back to this place. Yeah. Where's the switch? Okay. Look at the view. Look at that. Wow. This is beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. I have to go try this tennis. Whoa, look at the city. Guys, welcome back to Jakarta. You can view the entire city actually. Man. Woo. Actually, I'm on the 38th floor. It's a king size bed over here. My luggage comes with refrigerator over here, and most importantly, a kitchen with a washing machine. Very important. I booked this place because of this, to be sincere. Then of course, a very big washroom. Very good. A smart TV with Netflix. This is what $18 gets you. Alright. Exit this way. This is big. There's swimming pool over there, which you can access with only this. And let's look for supermarkets. People are actually swimming. We will come here tomorrow to swim. Look at the massive building. I'm actually on the 38th floor, down up there. Wow, this is massive. Ah, actually the swimming pool is an infinity swimming pool. All the way from here, stretches down to that side. Ah, it's big. Oh, there's Family Mart over here, supermarket. So let's see if we can get something there. Water and other things. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, my next video is gonna blow your mind. So with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.